Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how you can perform multiple automation triggers using Solid Performers CRM. In order to do that, click on the profile picture and go to the settings page. In here we have provided you with automation settings. Click on that and we have provided you with multiple automations like email automation, WhatsApp automation, SMS automation, push notification automation and system automations. Now make sure to perform all the configuration before performing the automation. Only then the automation will work. For example, if you want to do email automation, you have to make sure that SMTP configuration is done properly and tested. In case if you want to use WhatsApp automation, you have to make sure your WhatsApp provider is defined already. And if you want to perform SMS automation, your SMS configuration should be done properly. For system notification, there is no need to define any setting as the notification will appear here in the system directly. The setup for all these automations will look almost the same. Let me show you an example in email automation and you will easily understand the other automations. Apart from this, you can also be able to create report automations. Let me open the email automation. With Solid Performers, you can be able to create any number of triggers for your automation. For example, if you want to create 30 trigger emails with various conditions and with various time duration or time delay, you can be able to do it and everything will execute on an automated manner. Let me add a new trigger and show you how this works. In here, you can give a trigger name. This can be any reference name. And in case if you are having multiple triggers, you can also be able to categorize your triggers. You can be able to create automation triggers for all these modules like lead, client, deal, support, contact, invoices, performer invoice, project, task, proposal and quick tasks. Now once you select any particular module, for example if you select lead, you will get to know what are all the operations that you can be able to do for that particular module. For example, you can keep like when a lead is created or when a lead is updated, lead is deleted like that. So this and this, when this is meeting, then what should happen? Send an email to a lead or executive or another user. If you select this condition, then what will happen is this particular email will be triggered to this lead when a lead is created. That is lead created, send an email to a lead. This can be one trigger. The second trigger can be lead created executive, so that the executive will get a notification when a new lead is created. You can also define additional restrictions like stage based triggers or status based triggers or any other options which are available here. For example, you can initiate this trigger only when the lead is received from a lead form. So only when this condition is met, then only the automation will happen. In a similar way, you can select multiple others also. Like this, you can select a combination of various other possible restrictions from here. And in here, we have also mentioned other user. This another user can be any other team member in your team. Maybe he might be an admin or he might be a team leader, something like that. You can be able to define automation emails based on these conditions as well. Now below we have provided you with the option to keep any default email CC and then you can define the email subject and trigger messages. Now in the email subject and in the trigger message you can insert dynamic content. That means you can be able to change the content based on these data which was provided. For example, a person named Sam is making an enquiry, then the email will be sent like hi Sam. Now how to do that? You simply need to write hi and then select the name from the shortcode. Just click on that and it will be inserted automatically. Now when a message is created like this, instead of name, whatever they are filling in the enquiry form, right? So that will go as a name. Based on your business customization, all the shortcodes will change. You can also define your executive name and contact number. That means to whichever executive this lead is allocated. How to do that? You can select the executive user ID. So if you press shift plus enter, then automatically it will go into the next line without space. So I have just created a template and you can define the subject, welcome to SPS. Now in this we also have got the delayed option. Let me create this email template. In the next email template we will create it along with the delayed function. Now a trigger is added. The trigger is like welcome to SPS with the lead created another user. In the next trigger I'm adding another trigger. Now in this trigger again a lead created, send a mail to lead, but I'm sending with a delay of 2 days. That means The first mail will go immediately, but this second trigger will go after 2 days of creating the lead. This will be really useful when you are performing the lead nurturing functions, where you can be able to send multiple delayed automation with lots of interval. Using Solid Performance CRM, even you can send a mail after 500 days also. It is as per your wish. And you can also attach any attachments in the default templates, and this also will be triggered along with that. Now, in a similar way, we can be able to perform other automations like WhatsApp. You can go to add new trigger. All the functions, whatever I showed you in the email automation, will be available for WhatsApp as well. We select lead, then all other things will come. For other modules, for example, if I select deal module, all the shortcodes will change. If I select contact module, all the shortcodes will change. If I select invoice module, then the operations will change, like whether the task created, updated, due date, like that. So based on the module, the operation, whatever is available, will change. And you can also perform this automation to an executive or to a lead or client or for another user, etc. And in all these automations like WhatsApp, SMS, email, we have also got the delayed automations. I hope by now you got a basic idea of how you can be able to perform automation with the help of Solid Performance CRM.